She trained arms twice this year.
Twice.
Like twice.
We went on Sunday, was it? Sunday?
Sunday.
And I was like, okay, I'm just going to go and have fun. And I didn't take it seriously at all. I was like, it's just a game. Yeah. So I did like delts really lightweight. I kept everything so light. Yeah. Towards the end of the session, I went posing room, and I was like, what the fuck just happened? Like my legs lost all the fullness, and it went up to my arms. And I was like, fuck this shit. That explains why I have, you know, good legs. It's because I don't train upper body. Everything is going to the legs. If someone were to train upper with legs, your legs is going to be harder to grow, unfortunately. So I was like, fuck that shit. I ain't doing that again, ever again. Not even as a game. Oh my God, I could be in open women's bodybuilding. Not even WPD. I'll be literally in women's bodybuilding.
Good. Good. Come on. Good. Rest pause.
One more drop, then rest pause.
Good.
Ten.
Good.
Oh, fuck. Right. What's next? Yeah, let's go ahead here. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. 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 How was it?
That's good.
Yeah, how do you feel?
Good. Just I'm used to heavier, but it's okay.
'Good. Good. Nice. Oh, shit. Okay. Two. Four. Yes.
Lift. My foot.
Cramping?
Yeah. It's the worst under the 2.
Yeah, still drops it. One. Two. Yes. Good.
Oh,
3.
God.
Come on. Lock and load. Yes. Good. Yes. Come on. Pump. Beautiful. Good.
Ah, ah, oh.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Woo!
That's fun. Just a nice machine for it.
Yeah. It's like my calves. Did you not like my calves?
I didn't. I didn't.
My foot. Like my legs are good, but
See, that's why you need a power belly. You can't go too deep with that power belly. Then it won't affect you. Yeah. The trampoline belly. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
that makes sense. Maybe that's why powerlifters are
Yeah.
sturdy, you know, and that
Yeah, they got the belly. Extra 10 plates from the belly.
helps their lift. Yeah, exactly. It minimizes the range of motion.
Woo! That was good. That was good. Very good.
Oh God. Now,
Squat movement.
Was it good?
Very nice.
Really?
They feel very good?
Yeah, it felt good, but I feel weak today. Like I feel like I'm not hitting the 4 plates.
No, but this is not that type of day, though.
I know.
It's our volume day.
I'd be like, this is what is needed. Now you figure out how you're gonna build it, because that's not my specialty.
Yep, the quad
Yeah.
mother.
Actually,
The
they
quad
really,
mother.
yeah, I'd be good at that. Yeah.
Red. Good. Nice. Beautiful. Drop.
Okay. No, drop 2. You expect to do 3 after 4?
Yeah, I did. I did expect the 3 after 4.
Put it.
It's our drop, rest, pause set.
Are you serious?
Yep. Good.
Oh.
Yes. Good. Good. Good set.
Okay. I need to like lay down a bit. Holy shit. That was good. That was good. I like it. Okay. Try it. I'll do the next leg after you.
Good. 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 Drop. Nice. Rest pause. Good. Drop.
Oh,
Good.
oh my God.
Partials. Good. Just like that. Come on. Good.
Oh, it's like it won't move.
Yep.
Okay, that's really good enough. Guest posing routine that I've been invited to, and it's going to be very creative. And this posing is really going to be representing every athlete that has stepped on stage, what really goes on in their minds. So I'm turning it into more of an art. Um, it's going to be great. So I'm excited.
So stay tuned for the posing episode.
Stay
You guys
tuned
have
for
been
the
asking
posing
for posing
episode.
episode.
Okay, you're saying it. You want me to say it or you say it?
I'm saying it.
Okay.
I'm saying it.
Bye.